Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the Lakme Face Magic Skin Tints Creme. This is relatively a new launch in the market, so I thought why not do a first impressions on this. So this retails for about 350 rupees and you get 27 gram of product for that much of money. And it comes in this silver shiny casing. I like it. It's really chic. So once you open up the box, you get a tube which has a skin colored, nude packaging, skin colored or just beige packaging, and it's in the shade marble. And so what they claim is let your skin glow with just a hint of tint. So it's a sheer moisturizer, a tinted moisturizer you can say. Lakme Face Magic Skin Tints Creme has just the right touch of skin perfecting color for an instant glow, easy to blend and infuse with sunscreen. It gives you your confident daily care. Instant glow plus daily protection is equal to Lakme Face Magic Skin Tints Creme. So they say that you just need to dab drops of the products onto your cheeks, forehead, nose and chin, and you need to smoothen it out from the center of the face and outwards for an instant glow with just a hint of color. So yes, so it's an everyday sort of tinted moisturizer. A lot of BB creams have SPF and they are a lot more cheaper. I think even half price of what they are selling this skin tints creme at, because this is 350 rupees. Pond's BB cream I think retails for 199 and Garnier one also retails for that much. So I think that is one big nail. So packaging is normal, nozzle one, squeeze it and get it. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of amount on the back of my hand first. It has that Lakme signature fragrance which they have in all their creams and everything, and it's quite thick. It's not runny or liquidy, it's quite thick. So next I'm going to try this on my face and I'm going to tell you side by side what I feel about this product. As they say, I'm just dotting it on my skin first. And then I'm going to blend it out. It looked really thick and I thought it would take a lot of effort to blend it in, but it's really easy to blend. It's very, you can say it's very souffle-ish type. It blended it really well into the skin, which I like, but I do not like the fact that this almost has like no coverage. It's very sheer. So it doesn't even cover up anything, not even the slightest of spots, not even the slightest of dark circles, nothing. So if you're looking for something for daily wear but with a little bit more coverage, I don't think this is a good product because it covers nothing. This might be a good base for a foundation or everything, but in itself it is not sufficient because it doesn't cover any damn thing. Also, I'm not really impressed with this product because it doesn't do anything. My skin feels a little dry over some patches and my skin is not dry, so it just feels a little dry over some patches. So I do not think this would work as an everyday thing for me, not for me, because I just don't know. I don't really like it. I thought I would really like it. I got both the creme form and the souffle form. I'm not really sure now. I haven't tried the souffle yet. Let me know if you'd like to see a review on that as well. But I really don't like this. I don't think this is a worthy purchase because you could get so much more better for 350 rupees, and this just doesn't do anything. BB creams have so much more higher coverage than this does, and they just moisturize your face as well. This is a little bit on the drying side, just a tad little bit, which I do not like. So if you are already a person who has dry skin, this would not cut it for you. And if you have oily skin, this might help you in reducing a little bit of that oiliness. But for me, I don't see this working for me without a little bit extra effort. So I wouldn't really recommend this product. I just really thought I would like it, but at least my first impression says that I don't like this product. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it was helpful for you, and if it was, then please rate, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. All my social media links would be in the bottom bar along with an address where you can send me letters and things, and I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.